Hello everyone. If you are preparing for the most competitive exam and you want an extra edge, welcome to our enrichment course Anthropology 300 Plus, exclusively designed for the serious learner who want structured, smart and high quality preparation. So, in this series, let me tell you a brief description and details about this course. So, this course it constitutes enrichment with revision, and most importantly, when you want to check yourself, it is providing you the test series. So this batch is starting from 7th of July, and in this batch we are trying to provide you a full-fledged preparation with 14 sectional tests and 6 full-length tests with revision classes. Here is the basic schedule that is available. Here we are providing you the schedule for the revision classes along with the test, and these tests they are constituting the same unit that you are studying, so that first you will study and then you will check that are you able to replicate the same on the paper or not. Why? Because for an examiner what is going to be a mirror for you, that is only your answer copy. Now, in the revision classes, we are going to provide you a full-fledged module. Let me give you the brief for that. So, these are going to be targeted revision classes, and these revision classes, they will constitute the syllabus as it is mentioned here. So, let us suppose on 7th of July, we would be taking up the first class, which include the unit 1.1 to 1.3. Related to these 3 units, first we would be covering the PYQs. So we would see the PYQ trend analysis and the examiner pattern, that how they are setting the question from particular topic and which topics we need to put more emphasis regarding the mains preparation. Once we are done with the PYQ trend analysis and once we have analyzed the theme, we will take up those themes and will have a quick revision. Now this quick revision is not simple, it is structured and it includes the current updates so that we can provide you the value enrichment. If you have completed your optional 2 year back, 3 year back, and if you haven't done any sort of value addition and you want to brush up the complete syllabus, so these classes are highly recommended for you. It includes current based as well as here you will get some handwritten diagrammatic representation so that you can get an extra edge. Once you are done with the complete revision, then we will have some high quality practice question. We'll see how the question could be set from this pattern, from this, like we have analyzed the pattern of the examiner, how the questions they are analyzed from this pattern and how we can approach the answer. So here we will see basic things, how we can understand the demand of the question and how we can analyze this question. Once we are done with that, then we are not going to tell you that how you need to write. We will also tell you that how toppers are writing, so that we can take up the new things from them and we can implement it. Once we are done with the complete revision, after that I will make you create the indexes as well as the short notes. So this is how I am going to help you, because these diagrams they are going to help you, these indexes they are going to help you for the further revision. So see how our mechanism would work. On 7th of July you will have a quick revision class. For that, the revision class which constitute all these things, you will get even the practice question with model answer. Once you are done with this part, you have 8 and 9 in your hand. On 8 and 9 I will teach you how to prepare these indexes. So on 8 you will prepare the index and on 9 you will prepare the short note. Then on 10th of July you will again have a quick revision class for that, and again on 11 and 12 you will create index and short note that I will teach you. Once you are done with that, after this point you will revise, and there is going to be free mentorship which is sometime in terms of a hand holding, and here on 19th July you will give your first test, the test which is based upon all these things and which help you to understand that are you able to replicate the same or not. Once you are done with the test and done with the mentorship, then you will get the evaluation, that evaluated copy, and after the evaluation we'll see that how you are able to replicate the same. So here there is going to be complete hand holding. I will teach you basic structure, how to do the answer writing. There is going to be doubt solving sessions. There is going to be mentorship, that is one-to-one, all type of discussions that is constituting under this course. So this course is here to provide you a 360-degree approach to cover your syllabus. Why? Because you know, if we are talking about optional, so you can easily get an edge of even 30 to 40 marks if you are putting attention and if you are in the right approach. So if you are having the target to ace the mains 2026, then this batch is for you. Here, like if you want this schedule, you can get it from the website, and also in this description box there is one Google form available. You can fill this form and you can get the schedule for that, or other further details if you want related to this part. So here we have provided the complete schedule, date wise, classes wise, revision plus test, and that's how we would be covering the complete syllabus. Here let me tell you, we are providing a kind of brief pace gap for the preparation of the prelims 2026, and then further you would have some other full length test after that. So that's here the view to provide you a full-fledged preparation for your optional. One more thing you need to understand here, that optional is the game changer. And if you have right approach from the very beginning, you can really ace this competition. Fine. So if you want any further clarification and any further detail, you can get in touch with us. There is number available in the description box, and there is one Google form available in the description box. You can just fill it and you can get in touch with us. Fine. So all the details related to this course is available on the website of the Sunya IAS Anthropology. So you can get all the details. Fine. So thank you so much.